Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and so in today's video, I have for you guys my Easter Dollar Tree haul. So if you enjoy the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing because I do have some amazing content coming up for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you're returning to my channel, you already know that as tradition, I start off with all the signs I got from Dollar Tree. So first up, we got a big boy. We got this big Dollar Tree longboard Easter sign that is super cute, very farmhousey. I love these sketched eggs at the bottom and the font. I think that is super cute. It just says Happy Easter. It's black and white, super simple, super cute. I love it. Next up, we have this sign that I went to 2 Dollar Trees to hunt down. There's this really cute wooden sign that just says Hippity Hop in this beautiful blue glitter. And has all of these cute, really pastel-y bunnies with one in the middle with just, you know, that textured material. And I think that is really cute. They did a lot of farmhouse Easter, so you'll see that around. Next up is a sign that I was also looking for last year, but thankfully found this year. Very cute. I love the wooden texture, how it makes it look like it's broken up pieces of wood. It just says Happy Easter. Very high-end looking, and I think that is very cute for Easter. So as you may have seen if you are a returning subscriber and have seen my Dollar Tree haul from last year with Easter, I also had these little create your own ornament Easter bunnies. Now they also have carrots, and they also have chicks. So it's a really good thing to look out for. They're very good. Again, Dollar Tree does have a lot more DIY-able stuff. They have giant Dollar Tree eggs to DIY. They have some giant Dollar Tree bunnies. Again, I will link my Dollar Tree haul from last year down below in the description, so you guys can check that out if you want to see some more stuff that they have, because Dollar Tree tends to kind of recycle these ideas from last year. They also have these really cute little eggs. It comes in a pack of 14. There's no holes. It's just a solid egg, no sticker. So that is really cute for some DIYs. And another trending Easter item that I have seen a lot of places are these super cute little wooden bunnies. They also have eggs that are just, it's very nice and indented. Like, you stain this with some wood and it looks like something you're gonna pay 15 bucks for at like some high-end home decor store. So again, I really love this. I do recommend looking out for this because they look really cute. You can make some really high-end looking stuff for $1.25. Now Dollar Tree is on top of all of your trends, and for Easter there's always a very big bunny butt trend. So guess what Dollar Tree has? Bunny butts. So now they have them as some pink bunnies and also blue bunnies. So that is super cute. This is really cute if you want to just put in a plant. You just got a little bunny butt. It has little toe beans and the little fluffy tail. But it's really soft. I've never actually felt that. So it is very soft and very cute. And if you are a DIYer like me and want to make your own bunny butt, they also have these cute pom-poms that are great for bunny butts. You have 24 of these, so you can make 24 little cute bunny butts. And yeah, so enough talking about bunny butts. This is the last Easter item I have to show for you guys, which is the one I am most excited about, even more excited than this. It is something I had looked for last year and could not find and was very sad about it, but I found it this year. The 3-pack of moss bunnies that are just so cute. Now I'm opening it right now to show you guys how cute these bunnies are. Look at that. Like, they're beautiful. It almost looks like the ones they have at Target, but just like a little smaller. Like, whole unboxing video right here for you guys. They're so cute. They don't seem to shed too much, which is good. They have a really nice, like, grassy texture, though. They're just so cute and adorable, and I want more. But yes, these are very cute. If you do find them at your Dollar Tree, snatch them up. They go fast. I am filming this video in February. I got this in February, and it went, like, it's gonna be gone next week. I know it. So if you see these, snatch them up. Because they're so cute. Like imagine just putting this on your tier tray. This cute little bunny. It's just, yes. It's just... I've ranted about this bunny for like a good while now. Alrighty, enough about the moss bunnies. Now, this part of my video is just about other generic stuff I got from Dollar Tree that can be used for Easter decor. I'm gonna use it for Easter decor, but it is just some good stuff to have from Dollar Tree. So first off, I will be talking about their wooden items. So as I have shown quite a few times on this channel, they're wooden crates. They seem to be getting more and more durable as they're being produced, which I think is pretty good. Normally they're all wonky in different sizes, but like these seem pretty proportional to each other. Like they seem like they're exactly the same size, not taller or shorter or whatever. So I think that's really good that they're starting to get more unison, so when we're making DIYs, we're not gonna have one that's like that tall and it ends up like that. So that is really good. And another thing I have to show for you guys, which I believe I also showed in my St. Patrick's Day haul, are these tiny little craft cubes, because I find them so useful. Like if you're making like a little stand, you could just put one of these little cubes in the back, or if you're trying to make something look like it's 3D, you could put this in the back of it to make it 3D. I don't know, I find these very useful. And so this last wooden item is this really cute shadow box. So it just says, "Be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons." I think that's a funny phrase, but I do really like how it looks, like how it has that dimension with the flamingo. It is actually connected to the back from right here. It's not actually connected to the floor, so if you wanted to remove it, it's pretty easy. It doesn't damage the frame, which the frame is also very nice. Like it's like a painted wood texture, so I think that's also very nice. Metal hanger in the back. And yeah, I feel like this is something that like you would see at Home Goods or Target, and it's like, oh yeah, $7-8, and this is $1.25. So I thought that was a pretty good find. Another Dollar Tree item that I think is really cute for spring and Easter in general are their gem wraps. So they have these really cute pearls. I feel like pearls make for a really elegant looking spring decor. So these are very cute to have on hand. They have also gem wrap ribbons, which are pretty cool. And yeah, these have a little adhesive in the back, so they're easy to use. They also have other adhesive ones that you have to use super glue for that may look a little nicer. They have a few different varieties of this gem wrap. You know, they have pearls, silver gems, gold gems, blue gems. You can see them in my haul from last year. But these are very good for just adding a little bit of oomph to your signs or your DIYs, your candle holders, you know, all that. And the very last items I have to show for you guys are some Dollar Tree flowers. So here are two sets I got. This one is a heather. It is very pretty. It has some really nice grass and these really pretty, almost lifelike flowers. And then this one is just a freesia. It is less lifelike, which I got this a month ago. But the difference in like a month, this is what a month difference can do. So again, that $1.25 is starting to be more worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know I sure enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Comment down below what your favorite item was. You already know. You already know what mine was. And yeah, consider subscribing if you're not. I have some really cool content on this channel coming up. So yeah, thank you guys so much again. And don't forget to have fun crafting.